This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
Swerte o bless kayo kakaron kay Nikoyo ko sa Team Pacquiao. Tanaw ako sa nina.
As the boxing senator, he is fighting out of and proudly representing the Ceremony province in the Philippines. He weighed in at a celebrating 146 pounds. As a true icon of boxing, his record stands at 62 wins, 7 losses and 2 draws. Manny
Mamuntag mga besh mga bay. Karon ni ko diri sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Katungod karong adlaw ang awan ni Manny Pacquiao. So swerte o bless kayo karon kay Nikoyo ko sa Team Pacquiao. Tanaw akong sa nina. So gi-invite ko nila na mukoyog sa ani na fight. So ilagi provide ang accommodation na nindot kayo. O ilagi hatag ang usa ka ticket sa fight. So syempre excited ko karon kay basin mo ni iyang last fight. So dili ta sagrado pero iya giingon na basin lang. So ato tanawon ko mo ni iyang last fight. Pero karon gahulat ko sa Team Pacquiao kay sila mo tawag na ako para mo ato sa ilaha. Ako kuhaon ng ticket kay unya mga alas 4. Dili ko sure ang away. So tara.
Yesterday.
Same thing tomorrow night, 6 p.m. in here again tomorrow night. I'm going to let the senator go ahead and exit right now so we can get him out safely. You guys come back tomorrow night. There's flyers out there. We'll have wristbands. Remember, only 300 people, first 300 people will get in tomorrow.
The next day.
Sige, so padung na ko sa T-Mobile Arena kay dito na ko kuha ko ng credentials, akong ticket. So mga kita sa resort sa MGM and then mugawas ta sa strip, sa Las Vegas Strip. So ako ipakita sa inyo.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold you. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells.
Sige, so niyan ako diri sa gawas. Mo ni siyang Las Vegas Strip diri sa Nevada. O basta ingani ng oras mingaw man kay perti ka init. O ini gabi puno sa mga tao. Puno sa mga street performers. So basin unya ipakita na ko sa inyo pagkahuman sa fight. So pudong pa ko sa T-Mobile Arena. Dito na ko kuha ng ticket. So, pasensya ko medyo saba man. Tagan sakinan.
I'm a victim of love, calling out to heaven above for you.
Sige, mo ni siya ang T-Mobile Arena. Dili sila mo away, dili sila mo boxing unya. Alas 6, oras, alas 6. Sorry?
We need to get your photo taken.
Okay.
Get that picture taken, then give us about 20 minutes for the credentials to be created.
Okay, and then I come back here?
Come back actually the next window.
Next window?
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, just got my credentials done, photo taken. Wait 10 minutes now, and then I'll get my pass. Window number 9.
May I have your autograph just right here?
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, appreciate it. Sige, so nibalik ko diri sa akong kwarto. Tunggod, pastila, nalimot ko deodorant. So, perti ka init karon sa gawas. O basin, happy na ako mabaho. So, para dili ko masabaan sa akong mga neighbors sa fight. Balik ko diri. Para kuha ko deodorant. Nice bathroom, no? Social. Sige, oh. Huwag tanawa diri. Muna siya akong credentials. So muna siya media pass, promoter pass. Diling ni siya ticket di ay. Wala pa ko ticket sa fight. Kuha pa ko, pero ambot. Murag bathroom pass lang ni, ambot lang. Alright, so kauban ako karon si Kirby, aka si Hans. Hello. Probably remember him from Bantayan, akong Bantayan vlog.
We have to be together.
And yeah, we're reunited diri sa Las Vegas.
Yeah, buddy.
So-
Let's go. Go, Manny.
So si Kirby, iyang sister kay Kerencita.
Jovencita, nice to meet ya. I could be your mamacita.
Pero si Kirby, mas maaw na siya mukanta.
Sample. Never mind.
Unya na, unya. Sige, so karon manawag mi. Sorry gamay before the fight. Alright, kay dito sa Ubos, sabak kayo, dili ko maka-vlog. So, tara. She's got the golden ticket. Ayo! Mga bistak.
Yeah.
Huwag nakakaroon ng mga bistak. Puro Bisaya, dire sa MGM. Go, man. Alright, so I just want to give a huge shout out and thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Basically, Squarespace is the amazing all-in-one platform where you can easily build your own website or blog. And one of my favorite things about Squarespace is the ability to display my photos and videos from my social media accounts directly to my website. And they make it so easy to create a professional looking website with their award-winning designs. All you have to do is basically choose a template that you like, customize it a little bit by changing the color palette, and then add some features like a photo gallery. And so if you're a little bit nervous about creating a website by yourself, the nice thing is Squarespace has 24/7 award-winning support to help you along the way. And so if you're ready to begin your own website, make sure to go to squarespace.com/Bisayang Hilaw for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain and use the discount code Bisayang Hilaw. Alright, so that's basically it. Thanks again Squarespace for sponsoring this video and let's get back to the show. Alright, so I'm back here at the hotel room just waiting for my ticket. So I called T-Mobile Arena and they said with this I can actually bring my camera into the arena, which is nice because online it says no one can bring any professional camera, just your cell phone. So that's nice, so I can bring this camera in and vlog and show you guys what it's like in there. But for now I'm just gonna watch some TV and then head over to the arena later once I get the ticket, so stay tuned. Sige, so nibalik na ako dito sa T-Mobile Arena. I really hope that they allow me to bring this camera inside. Otherwise I'm gonna have to walk all the way back to MGM and return it. But tanawa, mas dagan pa kaayo mga tao dire. Ganiha wala gyud. Let the games begin. So check out how insane these seats are. 4 seats. Do lang kayo sa boxing ring. Grabe, swerte kayo. Let's go, baby.
I'm ready for the fight.
Speaking of training, you brought back some old school Manny, some classic Manny, as you like to call it. You know, the tolerance training, the shorts, etc. Why did you feel it was important to go back and reinvigorate yourself in that way? You've got your lovely wife drinking here by your side, your family. We'll let you get into your dressing room and get settled. Thank you so much. Manny Pacquiao in the house, guys.
Here we go, boy.
Oh, Manny Pacquiao right there.
Let's go.
In the house.
The undefeated Mark Magsayo. European champion.
obviously that wasn't the outcome that we wanted, but super grateful to be a part of Team Pacquiao this week. Super awesome experience. Manny Pacquiao, grabe, alamat kayo, legend kayo. We will see if there will be more fights on Manny Pacquiao. Whew. Sige, karon, dili ko sagrado unsay akong buhaton. Kasi musuri pa ko, kaon. So stay tuned, tara.
Perdidos, sé lo que siento, pero tú no. Nos entendemos haciendo el amor.